Have you ever imagined a place where futuristic ambition meets luxurious tradition? Welcome to Dubai, a city that's risen from the sands to become a playground for the world's elite. Here, supercars aren't just for show, they're the beat of the city's heart. And the buildings aren't just tall, they're a challenge to the heavens themselves. Join us as we unveil the extravagance and innovation that make Dubai a city like no other. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community of luxury and adventure seekers. The Immaculate Transformation. Did you know that within a mere 50 years, Dubai transformed from a tiny desert town into a lavish global hotspot? Back in the day, just like other cities in the United Arab Emirates or UAE, Dubai relied heavily on oil revenues. However, things took a swanky turn. Now, only about 5% of its income comes from oil, as Dubai set its sights on trade, real estate, and tourism to soar to new heights of prosperity. This shift catapulted Dubai into a bustling hub of trade and opulent living. With a focus on diversifying its revenue streams, Dubai has crafted a unique identity as a luxurious global destination, leaving its desert roots far behind. This evolution is a testament to Dubai's swift rise from a small desert enclave to a glittering paradise for tourists and businessmen alike. Architectural marvels. Prepare to be awed by Dubai's architectural giants. Ever seen a building so tall it meets the clouds? Join us as we explore the sky-piercing marvels that dominate Dubai's skyline. First up, the iconic Burj Khalifa. Standing tall at an awe-inspiring 2,722 feet, it proudly claims the title of the world's tallest building. It's designed to sway gently in the wind, maintaining balance and stability amidst the skies. And if that's not jaw-dropping enough, let's glide over to the Burj Al Arab, the fifth largest hotel globally, towering proudly with 56 stories that sparkle and shine. What's its secret to luxury? It's adorned with around 1,790 square meters of pure opulence, 24-karat gold leaf. Imagine that, a building glistening with gold against the radiant Dubai skyline. These architectural marvels don't just represent engineering feats, they embody the spirit of luxury and extravagance that defines Dubai's skyline, drawing the gaze of the world toward its glittering heights. Man-made islands. Would you believe the mind-blowing creation of man-made islands in Dubai? Brace yourself for the colossal scale of these astonishing feats. First, let's set our sights on the Palm Islands. The construction cost alone soared to an astonishing $12 billion. Picture 94 million cubic meters of sand meticulously shaped into the breathtaking Palm Islands, creating an otherworldly paradise in the Parisian Gulf. And if that doesn't leave you wide-eyed, let's sail over to the World Islands. Though hard to believe, it took a staggering 321 million cubic meters of sand, crafting these islands to mimic the world's land masses. The price tag? An additional eye-watering $15 billion. Can you fathom the enormity of these projects? Combined, they form a testament to human imagination and engineering prowess. Such an incredible achievement, shaping the very landscape of the seas, using vast amounts of sand to create these awe-inspiring island paradises. These man-made wonders stand as a testament to Dubai's determination to transform dreams into reality, redefining the boundaries of possibility. Have you ever dreamt of living in a place where luxury knows no bounds? Well, Dubai isn't just a city, it's a lavish dream come to life. From supercars patrolling the streets to buildings reaching for the stars, Dubai is a world of opulence waiting to be explored. Now tell me, fellow luxury enthusiasts, what's the first thing on your Dubai bucket list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's share our dreams of Dubai together. Dubai's police force and laws. Can you believe the Dubai police cruising around in supercars straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Imagine Ferrari FFs revving at around $500,000, Lamborghini Aventadors zooming by at about $400,000, and Aston Martin 177s making a statement at a whopping $1.79 million. Talk about patrolling in style. But beyond the flashy rides, Dubai doesn't hold back on enforcing strict laws, drawing from the Sharia and ensuring a safe environment. Although in certain designated spots like hotels and clubs, the rules ease up a bit, allowing alcohol despite it being traditionally restricted in other Middle Eastern settings. Dubai's dedication to safety speaks volumes. In fact, it proudly secures the 8th spot among the safest cities worldwide. It's the perfect blend of luxury, strict adherence to law, and a commitment to safety that sets Dubai apart as a fascinating global destination. The juxtaposition of extravagance and adherence to law makes Dubai a unique haven where luxury meets responsibility, ensuring both residents and visitors experience the ultimate in opulence with a touch of security. Population and class divide. In the mosaic of Dubai's population, approximately 15% proudly call themselves Emiratis, while the rest are mainly expatriates seeking opportunities in this shimmering city. A substantial chunk of Dubai's residents hail from countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, contributing their talents to the city's growth and vibrancy. Yet, amid the glitz and glamour, there's a stark contrast. There's a noticeable rift between the affluent and hardworking immigrant workers. This class divide forms a distinct facet of Dubai's societal landscape, highlighting the disparities in wealth and opportunities. While some bask in opulence, others toil in less favorable circumstances, underscoring the complexity within this luxurious city. Dubai, with its cosmopolitan allure, grapples with a social dichotomy that echoes the broader challenges of prosperity distribution. It's a city where the gleaming skyscrapers and the reality of socioeconomic divides coexist, painting a multifaceted portrait of contemporary urban life. Imagine strolling along Dubai's stunning skyline, witnessing the sun setting behind the Burj Khalifa, or indulging in the opulent charms of the Burj Al Arab. It's like stepping into a luxurious dream world. If you're as fascinated by luxury as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more indulgent adventures. Let's explore the world of luxury together. Camel racing and future plans. Would you believe that Dubai's camel races have transformed from children riding to robots steering the way? These little racing bots cost a hefty $10,000 each, replacing the previous practice involving children, making a shift towards more ethical sporting events. And if that doesn't blow your mind, let's talk about Dubai's future blueprints. Envision a climate-controlled wonderland, the mall of the world, estimated to cost tens of billions of dollars. This colossal project aims to reshape luxury shopping, offering an entire city block encompassing hotels, residences, and retail under a retractable dome. These astounding innovations not only showcase Dubai's technological prowess, but also its commitment to reshaping the future of entertainment and leisure. From robot jockeys to mega climate-controlled malls, Dubai continues to pave the way for cutting-edge advancements in luxury living and entertainment. The future holds endless possibilities in this extravagant city. Taxation and Appeal. Dubai's allure for the affluent goes beyond its glittering skyline and opulent lifestyle. It's a tax haven. Yes, you heard it right. In this lavish city, there's no income tax, making it a magnet for wealthy individuals aiming to safeguard their earnings. Amidst the luxurious extravagance, Dubai stands out as a beacon for those wanting to preserve their wealth. The absence of income tax not only attracts the wealthy, but also enhances Dubai's reputation as a desirable residence for those seeking to maximize their financial gains. With this enticing feature, Dubai positions itself as an ideal destination for high-net-worth individuals looking to enjoy the lavish lifestyle without the burden of substantial tax deductions. It's no wonder that Dubai continues to captivate the elite, offering a haven where luxury living and financial advantages coalesce seamlessly. Truly, Dubai sets the stage for affluent individuals to thrive amidst unparalleled opulence. Infrastructure growth. Dubai's evolution is a skyline saga, a testament to its rapid infrastructure growth, crowned by towering skyscrapers that grace its horizons. But here's an intriguing fact. Until 2015, Dubai navigated its booming cityscape without a conventional address system. Imagine that, a city of gleaming towers and opulence, yet mail deliveries depended on maps or detailed instructions, rather than a standardized address system. This absence of a formal addressing method paved the way for a more personalized touch in ensuring deliveries reach their destinations. However, Dubai has since evolved, adapting to its grandeur. In 2015, it introduced a 10-digit number system as official addresses, transforming the logistics landscape. This milestone streamlined deliveries, making life easier for residents, and revolutionized the city's navigation. Dubai's transition from maps to modern address systems marks a pivotal moment in its quest for efficiency amidst its towering architectural marvels. As we wrap up this journey through Dubai's luxurious tapestry, we hope you've been dazzled by its opulence and grandeur. If you've enjoyed exploring the glitzy skyline, extravagant lifestyles, and incredible innovations with us, don't forget to hit that like button below. For more lavish adventures and insights into the world of luxury living, make sure to subscribe to Luxe Life Living. Stay tuned for more exclusive glimpses into the most extravagant destinations worldwide. Share this video with fellow luxury enthusiasts, and let's spread the joy of opulence together. Until next time, keep embracing the Luxe Life Living. Thank you for joining us on this glamorous journey.